Hello everyone, so this is the cordless screwdriver carrying case. So we have a cordless screwdriver and I want to be able to put all different accessories in here. So we can go ahead and tighten this up. It comes with this case, but this case is broken on the bottom. So I wanted something that's going to be able to keep a lot of stuff in. What's nice about this one is I can put in this as well. So let me actually show you. So this, when we pull this out, has all of these different bits. And obviously I can't fit that in there either. So we're going to rotate this, put this one over in here. I'm going to zipper this up. And then this one we can place right down in here. And this will just give us what we need. And just like that. So, and of course there's room for even more. So we can put more stuff up here, like the charger up here and other accessories. So it's just a very nice carrying case.